Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a Spanish dessert. Super easy, super soft leche frita or fried milk. Let's see how to make this delicious recipe. Before we move on, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. Before we start cooking, we should make two things ready. 1. Take a pan and grease it with some melted butter. Next is to mix milk and cornflour. Now into a pan, add in 3 cups of milk. Now add 1 lemon peel and 2-3 cinnamon sticks. Mix this and turn on the flame. When the milk gets warm, add in half a cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix it and bring it to boil. When the milk starts to bubble up, remove the cinnamon sticks and lemon peel from it and then add in the corn flour and milk mixture. Just mix it once again before you add it into the milk. Now you have to mix it continuously because within 2 to 3 seconds you can see the milk got thick, and cook it 2 more minutes until it gets a beautiful glaze. Now turn off the flame and transfer it immediately into the greased pan. Now give it a good shake to get rid of all the air bubbles. Now while this cools down, a thin layer of skin may form on top. To avoid that, either you can put a cling film or wet some butter paper and place on top of it. As I didn't want to place any plastic sheet on top of the hot mixture, so I decided to go with the damp butter paper. Now refrigerate this for 6 hours or you can keep it overnight. Now after 6 hours, take it out and slowly remove the butter paper from top of it. Run a knife through the sides. And flip it onto a plate. Look at that, our smooth milk block is ready. Now you have to cut this into pieces. Cut it really carefully because this is super soft. See our smooth and soft milk blocks. Now let's prepare it for frying. Take some all-purpose flour and 1 egg well beaten. Now take each milk block, coat it with flour and then dip it in egg. Prepare all the milk pieces like this. Now heat a pan, add some oil and fry all the milk blocks. And you have to fry each side of it until it turns slightly golden shade. Now our fried milk or leche frita is ready. Now if you want, you can add one more step in this recipe. After frying, you can coat each block in cinnamon and sugar mixture. But as I don't want to add any more sugar into this recipe, I decided to keep it just like this. And it tasted amazing. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo and get subscribed. Watch more unique recipe videos from our channel Greypot. Do check it out. Thank you.